All right, if you're a photographer and you're looking for a wireless device to actually trigger a couple of flashes, now this is a great system to have. It comes with LCD screens, it comes with a menu and a test bar. So in case you want to test your devices, first of all, before you make sure you take them out to any wedding, quinceañeras, or any event that you're going to do. Now you power it on through here. You got a menu here, all right? When you hit the middle button, it goes into different settings, all right? RF channels. So your RF channels will be your remote channel that you're going to have to trigger the system in. Either you're going to have connections to wireless flash or wireless lights. Also, you can control audio inputs in here. Different modes, if you guys can see that. Air mode. It goes all the way to reset all, just in case you need to redo this whole thing again Now, let me take you back out here. If you guys can see the menu right here, it says next, exit, and set. When you go to next, it goes to the next mode, and you can actually start from the beginning. I'm going to hit exit. Now, here is the actual different triggers that you have. Right now, we have 1, A, B, and C. And of course, it dims down every couple of minutes. Once you could control all these things, so if you want to make a C different mode of a trigger, so you could hit and change it to different modes. If you guys see no flash on there, you could change the modes that you want. All right, it gives you all the different modes from these two buttons. If you want to just trigger that one, you could have that one, but we want just one at a time. You can do that, or you can do all of them. All right, so you could set them all up. So you could do one at a time. See how you can move anywhere you want. All right. Now, if you want them all at the same time, just hit this one twice and it'll all set them up. All right. Now, we're not done yet. On the side of it, here's the in and out on the audio jacks, right? That you're going to require. Some of the actual hardware does have those inputs, so it could remote into it. So that means one remote can control even those devices too. Now, it does have two areas that you have to add AA batteries on this, and this is compatible with a lot of different cameras. All right, just be aware that before you're purchasing something like this, make sure it's compatible with your camera. Now, the AA batteries is going to last you quite a while, as long as the LCD automatically dims down every couple of minutes, so it will save you a lot of the battery. You could do the testing, and then if you want to turn it off, just hold down the power button and it shuts off. The same to turn it on. This is a Canon 80D, but like I said, it works for various different types of cameras. It's going to bring your flash and other things to do. So if you guys are looking for a great wireless device to trigger a couple of your lights or settings, this is perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.